हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ इंटरनेशनल वुमेन डे की स्पीच। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी, अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। तो शुरू करते हैं हम अपनी वीडियो। गुड मॉर्निंग रिस्पेक्टेड चीफ गेस्ट, प्रिंसिपल, टीचर्स एंड ऑल माई डियर फ्रेंड्स। टुडे वी आर gathered here to celebrate International Women's Day. First of all, I would like to wish Happy Women's Day to all the beautiful and gorgeous women present here. International Women's Day pays tribute to women leaders from business, politics, corporate, educational institutions, innovators, and media around the world who have helped in securing the rights of women and building more equitable societies. You must be wondering why Women's Day celebrated on 8th March? It was in 1909 when a political party of United States of America celebrated 15,000 women who protested against various issues like low pay scale, equal opportunities, and lack of voting rights in New York City. Originally, it was known as National Women's Day, and after the news spread across the world, the celebration was done across the world. In 1977, United Nations passed resolution in its assembly session to observe 8th March as UN Day for Women's Rights and World Peace. Wo- The school and education institutions celebrated the International Women's Day by organizing various competitions like essay writing, speech, drama, skit, and painting. Women are not just child bearers. Women have their own identity. Let us not forget it. Moreover, each woman is amazing regardless of where she works, home or office. We must respect and recognize the achievement of women in their life. So, on this International Women's Day, let us all that try and make this world a better place for women. Let's respect and appreciate the women in our lives every day and inspire them to for greater future achievements as they can contribute equally to the home, society and nation. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो थोड़ी सी भी हेल्पफुल लगे तो प्लीज़ मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन के बटन को दबाना बिल्कुल ना भूलें ताकि आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो।